Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 10 projects you can create with a round knitting loom. Whether you're a newbie knitter or a seasoned stitcher, there's something here for everyone. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Plus, check out the description for links to all the nifty tools and yarns we'll mention. Now let's get knitting. First up, you really can't go wrong with the classic beanie hat. Perfect for keeping those noggins toasty. A simple beanie hat can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours to knit, and it's a perfect excuse to binge watch your favorite shows, Gilmore Girls. Next up is the perfect pairing for a beanie hat, a stylish scarf. Truly a beginner's best friend. Scarves are fantastic for practicing your stitches. Depending on the length and complexity, you're looking at about 5 to 6 hours of knitting bliss. Now that you've got hats down and the scarves figured out, if you're one of those people that likes to go big, you can't go wrong with a big blanket. This one's a marathon, not a sprint. While a small throw might take 15 to 20 hours, a full-size blanket could be a 50-hour labor of love. But big blankets are perfect for those chilly nights or for a living room fort building session. Maybe you're getting cold feet about knitting something so big. Well, we've got that covered too. Warm up those toes with something extra cozy. Try knitting some socks. These can be a bit tricky, but oh so rewarding. A pair might take you 10 to 15 hours, but your feet will thank you. Plus, they're a great way to use any leftover yarn, and you can personalize them with team colors or themes. So you've got a beanie, a scarf, a blanket, and even socks. But now your hands are jealous. After all, they did all the work. Keep those hands happy with a beautiful pair of mittens. They can be whipped up in about 5 to 7 hours. Now for a quick and stylish project, the headband is where it's at. In just 1 to 2 hours, you can create a fashionable accessory that keeps your ears warm and your style on point. Perfect for those I need it now moments. Next up, the cowl. A cowl is like a scarf's bougie cousin. With 3 to 5 hours of knitting, you'll have a cozy neck warmer that's both functional and fabulous. Do you need something to carry all that yarn? Knit yourself a bag. Depending on the size and complexity, this project can take anywhere from 8 to 12 hours. Functional, fashionable, and a one-of-a-kind. What's not to love? Now it's time to spruce up that living space with some knitted pillows. A pillow cover can be completed in about 5 to 8 hours. And it adds a personal touch to your home decor and allows you to coordinate color and textures because there's so many different types of yarn you can use to make your home exactly the way you want it. And last but definitely not least, toys. From cuddly bears to creepy creatures, knitted toys are gifts that people often keep forever. They can take anywhere from 4 to 10 hours depending on their size and detail, but they're perfect gifts and a great way to use up those extra yarn scraps. So there you have it, 10 fantastic projects you can create with a round knitting loom. Whether you're crafting for yourself or making gifts, there's something here for every skill and time frame. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment with your favorite project mentioned or maybe something else. And be sure to subscribe for more yarn-filled adventures. Happy knitting, and may your stitches be ever in your favor.